Shulam Aleichem Orav Rabbi. Look at this. Chasdei Lev house of... This is the big warehouse of Chasdei Lev. The biggest Hakaras Hatov warehouse in the USA and probably in the whole world. Let's go inside, see the operation. Took me over 3 hours to get here. It's raining, it's cold. Let's go inside. Okay, Gita cook. Du hast the Bernie. Bernie. Shulam Aleichem. Where do you live?
Lakewood.
That's in New Jersey. You coming every day?
No.
You sleep here.
Last week I've been here. It's right here in front of us.
Yeah, we're gonna turn the camera. Azoy.
This is the picking line.
Picking line.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So you have come over here. This girl is gonna give us an order.
Okay.
She's gonna scan in the order. So they get this order.
Okay.
They take a jack right here. See, they're getting a jack.
Yeah.
Pallet.
So he starts with an empty pallet, just like this. So they can order anything, or it's like a menu. There's a menu on the.
This season, there's 71 items. And you can see. Now take a look. They're walking on the line. They're picking out what they need. Check it off.
Here we can see somebody's putting a thing on the pallet. Very good.
The checkpoint. We have 5 checkpoints this season. You're here right now. We're picking all the orders that are about 30 cases per order.
Okay.
We started off with all the big ones.
Okay.
Started off with about 65, 70 cases per order. So now you're seeing small pallets, small orders coming through. Very easy to check.
So you do first all the heavy ones.
I do that so that I can slow down my pickers. Otherwise, I have too many pallets coming off of the line.
Aha.
Place to put them.
So Sahota Cheshm.
We get to station number 2. Checkpoint number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5.
So every few feet, there's somebody who checks the order, make sure that it was picked right.
Correct. I have them spaced out differently. The first one has 20 products. The second one has 16. We just got back our shorts count, cases that were missing from Muncie. And if we're curious, we can pull it up. We were missing 109 cases
Out of?
out of 61,482.
Ah, Geschmack, that's a very good number.
We can divide it now, but it's probably like 0.00012.
Probably.
Yeah.
What's the next stop?
After we pass all the checkpoints, they get scanned out. You ask for support to help pay for the food and for the pantry.
Right.
To make my job easier, I want $150,000 to get new docks.
Just for another duck, because right now we have only 2.
I need 2 more.
2 more. Yesterday we did 48 trucks just of here.
Recording every pallet that goes into the truck, which truck it's on. You'll see over here stacked up, you have your Makokal.
Ah, so that's how you bring it from there to here.
It actually doesn't turn around. The forklift picks it up and puts it down on the floor. Forklift's not going to go near my line. I have 50 people inside. If he pushes too far.
So the goal is that the pick line doesn't stop.
Correct.
If the pick line stops, means we didn't plan it right. We lost something in planning.
That is correct.
This is crazy. Just show the size. When you pass by, you can see the size. What are these? These are the 9x13s. Yeah, these take off a lot of space. And probably one of the most needed things for
I
Pesach.
think probably every single order has 9x13.
And this is the end of Williamsburg order.
Now we have one on the spot also where Williamsburg takes in the hallways. You can't go in the hallway either over there.
Really? Wow, look at this. Look at that. You can't see all the way till the end.
The lights only are motion activated, so these lights will be off for another
Right.
day. That's how it is.
Okay, we are here with Rafi.
Hi,
Does this for how many years?
I'm doing this as a total of about 10 years. Chasdei Lev is wonderful. If please, all the supporters continue. It's an unbelievable amount of chesed.
And even new supporters.
And new supporters, tell your friends. It's about saying thank you for the Rebbe that's taking care of your child.
Exactly.
And it's not babysitting. It's mamish really educating your children, the new generations, that they should walk in the footsteps of Hashem.
Beautiful.
And do chesed like we're doing chesed.
Beautiful. Wow.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going outside because the noise inside is big with all these, what are they called, jacks?
Pallet jacks, yeah.
Pallet jacks. And here you can get a glimpse into all these trailers. I thought it's only those that says thank you Chasdei Lev logo.
Thank you, Rebbe.
Thank you, Rebbe.
Well, half of them are not here. Half of them are in Lakewood right now,
Uh-huh.
on the road.
But all these you say is also yours.
Amazon trailers, yeah, sure. We have
Well,
to
you rent them from Amazon or what?
Amazon brings them to us because you get Amazon doing the loads at very, very affordable prices, Baruch Hashem.
Ah, nice.
And what they do for us is they drop off trailers empty, and they leave. And then I load them up on my own time, and then we just do drop and hook because I only have 2 docks. I don't have time to have. The first season I was here, we didn't do drop and hook. I would have 30 trailers in the yard waiting. All the drivers getting.
I think everybody by now got the hint that you need another and
We need more docks.
More docks. Now this warehouse is here full year round.
Correct.
Operational.
Correct.
You come in almost every day,
Correct.
and now is the heaviest season of the
Yes,
year.
This is where it all comes together.
Technically, what is the plan? Every Rebbe from that is a Malamed anywhere can apply.
That's what it is. Every yeshiva, the yeshiva supply, and the Rebbe's go through the yeshiva. I think that's how it works.
Okay.
Yeah, every
And what
Rebbe
are they
across the
getting?
country. They're getting the Pesach order for a very, very, very good price.
Uh-huh. And you have a menu of 71 items?
So this year, 71 items, yes. 29 cities across the U.S., plus Toronto and Montreal as well.
That you deliver to.
Correct. Thank you, Rebbe. He gets on his way
Nice.
out after the book and pack up his order.
All right, so this is the famous.
We have 2 books this year. Here I have one of them. This is a book they get for the kids are going to read over the Pesach and have something.
Trucks 2 loaded, but we already got 2 40 and 24.
It's a 48.
I'm assuming so.
Look at this line. I don't know if they can get it.
Every Sukkot, every Pesach, they get something. This year, playing this, they open up. I'm getting the shear card for the Arba crisis. I get a letter. It's a letter of appreciation.
Nice.
I'm doing the letter, got my gift. This is what every Rebbe gets.
Okay, so last but not least, please support this beautiful mission, which is technically just appreciation for Rebbeim. I think it's beautiful.
Thank you, Rebbe.
Thank you, Rebbe. He says we've finished with this. We'll go like this. Thank you, Rebbe.